Muthenya Narua munini wa Rais Rigathi GACHAGUA ni atongerete MUCEMANIO na kanjo ya gutigira ngwataniro gati ka thirikari nene na thirikari cia Makaunti ni kwagira kiri MUCEMANIO juju kamiti njeru ni tariria ikethagirwa ikithingatira kurekerwa kwa mbeta kuma kiri rwangi rwa KIGINA itechereri. Anthony Kathenya katutaririe.
Munini wa Rais Rigathi GACHAGUA nwalale mwikairi giti kire MUCEMANIO wa ngwataniro ya thirikari nene na ile jia kaunti kire ugaibwa mbesa muno ijikena gisunku ta Intergovernmental Budget and Economic Council IEBEC MUCEMANIO lo kuthithikaga sukuruni ya kithirikari nterejia kabete.
Thank you very much. We've just held the 18th session of IEBEC.
Akiele kile MUCEMANIO jo munini jo wa rais ni augite ati thirikari ya Rais William Ruto ni ambilite mikakati ya kwimania rutingo gebo ministry imwe ile bado itenenkanilitwe kile thirikari ja county thini ya meri thandatu ijite. Bububu kijaga nyume ya magavana bababi umebire bieto kule biolia bia rutingo gebo kile thirikari no nene ya Rais William Ruto nyume yae kuebia devolution kile ministry jia thirikari yae. Imwe jia ministeri ile batele kwirwa kire magavana ni ile ya urimi ta agriculture, ile ya mathomo ma pre-primary, mpaka thaino magavana balonga milite gitengo kia ugima bwa mwiri kana ministry ya health.
The Council of Governors have raised concern about the place of the COG in the new dispensation. We have confirmed that intergovernmental relations are anchored in the office of the Deputy President, but we have agreed they will be under addendum to the executive order so that the Council of Governors is properly anchored in law in that particular office. We have also discussed about the transfer of functions, and we have confirmed to the Council that the Ruto administration has a political goodwill and every intention to hasten and fast track the transfer of functions as per our constitution. And we have given ourselves a target, a deadline of 6 months within which all functions should be transferred. And shortly we'll be convening a meeting of all the relevant ministries to agree on the roadmap towards the final transfer of all devolved functions to the county governments.
GACHAGUA niongelete kuga ati thirikari gatigire kunenkanira mbesa kire county kagita kalio kenda gutetheria rutingo gibwa county bula kubaterie. GACHAGUA akiuga county ile jina mugao munene wa mbesa nijo ikaraithagirwa kabere.
We have noted, the national government has noted the concern of county governments through the governors of delayed disbursements, and efforts will be made by the National Treasury subject to improved collection of revenue, to try as much as possible to disburse funds to the counties in good time to enable them implement their programs and continue the service delivery.
O kagita gaka munini ujua rais ni ulitima gavana gusile migunda kiri county no jiao kenda gutetheria Rais William Ruto kile wakibwa nyomba jabe nini otabole kile wirane na ananchi.
We have communicated to the governors today the request of His Excellency President William Ruto on various interventions on the part of the county governments to be in tandem with the Kenya Kwanza Manifesto and the plan. Specifically, we have requested governors to identify land as their contribution towards the implementation of affordable housing. We have communicated to the governors the request from the national government that they agree to participate in the distribution of subsidized fertilizer by providing the last mile intervention in terms of transport and distribution. We have also agreed that the governors continue to co-chair the county coordinating teams on matters to mitigate the drought situation in the country, which is already going on.
MUCEMANIO jula lina magavana Kadhumba ilio gavana wa kaunti ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza amona ule wa Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki kuma muji munene Nairobi. Mbeta Anthony Rangi wa Kathenya.